Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to edit a price in Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website by opening up shopify.com right here, and this is going to open up the main page where you want to go ahead and log into your account. So in the upper right corner, log into your account that is active in your Shopify store, and after logging in you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where you can find all the options you have at the left side of the screen and all the sections such as order, customer, content, and so on. So basically, let's go ahead and see how to edit the price. We are going to find our prices in the products section. So I'm going to click on products right here, and this is going to open up a list of all the products that we have. So you can see here I have a t-shirt. You can add even more products right here if you want, and so on. And basically I'm going to open up my product right here. After clicking on my product that I want to change the price for, I'm going to click on it. As you can see, this is now going to open up our product, and here is our managing section. So what we want to do is scroll down all the way down until we find pricing, and here is our pricing. So what you want to do guys is go ahead and select the price to whatever price you want to set. You can select whatever price you want, if you want to charge tax or not, and so on. And after that, you just want to go ahead and click on save after you have finished all your changes, and this is going to apply to the new price to your product. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.